Daycare delivery is a planned activation and augmentation of labor at 38 plus weeks, managed with the intention of vaginal delivery before nightfall. This will give us a predictable childbirth, quality labor in a planned fashion. The concept is to cut short the latent phase after ensuring the pre-labor state, which is confirmed by the obstetrician. Now, what are the advantages if we have a daycare delivery? Obviously, the transport, the admission to the hospital can be planned, the family support can be made available, the medical and nursing staff will be ready for the patient when she arrives. So, a masterly inactivity is converted into masterly activity. So, what is the hypothesis? The hypothesis is that a controlled activation and augmentation of labor as a daycare procedure in a selected group of term patients with close monitoring can lead to a safe fetomaternal outcome. Now, what is known about the subject? Studies show that if the Bishop score is adjusted properly, then no significant differences were found in the caesarean delivery rates after induction. Bishop score is included in my DCD criteria also. It is known that a favorable cervix, if the cervix is favorable, then elective induction does not appear to pose an increased risk in either the mother or the baby. In another retrospective study, we see that the caesarean delivery is increased significantly by nulliparity or unfavorable cervix, but not by elective induction as such, nor does it significantly increase the rate of NICU admissions. We cannot emphasize enough that an unfavorable cervix has a high rate of labor arrest and increased rate of caesarean delivery. I'll come to that later. I presented a case series of 73 patients last year in the AICOG, and this time I've come back with 332 cases. And this case series looks at the feasibility of performing a daycare delivery with a predetermined protocol. What is this protocol? It is a comprehensive process involving adequate counseling, informed consent, and an application of a DCD trigger criteria prior to admission, after which the activation of labor is done under close monitoring, followed by assessment of outcome and routine follow-up. Patient selection starts at the very initial visit. Her inclusion depending upon her willingness of the patient to be included after the DCD counseling. After that, the gestational age of 38 plus weeks, an uncomplicated pregnancy, clinically adequate pelvis, suitable USG findings,